Husqvarna now presents the K760 OilGuard, a power cutter designed to prevent engine damage that can result from an incorrect fuel mixture. Thanks to the optical detection system, the unit can detect if there's oil in the fuel or if the oil type is wrong. This allows the machine to limit its revs per minute and avoid all unnecessary wear on the engine. This unique technology makes the machine perfect for the rental industry, as it will save a lot of costs on maintenance and spare parts. The K760 OilGuard can easily be identified thanks to the OilGuard logo on the unit. In this video, our Husqvarna professional will run the machine on two types of fuel. One of them is standard fuel without any oil, while the other is mixed with OilGuard. To demonstrate how the OilGuard function works, we'll run the machine on these two types of fuel, starting with regular fuel without any oil. The Husqvarna K760 OilGuard not only has the patented OilGuard system, but all the benefits and applications of our standard K760 unit. We notice that the machine limits its revs per minute. Thanks to this function, we can avoid engine failure and damages that can result from using fuel without OilGuard oil or using the wrong type of oil mixture. When we change to the OilGuard mixture, the optical detection system in the K760 will identify the correct mix of OilGuard oil. This allows the machine to no longer limit its revs per minute and instead run with full effect. This is the patented technology that can help the rental industry lower their costs on maintenance and spare parts. A unique system that ensures a longer product life. It also has the new generation of active air filtration, one of the market's most efficient air cleaning systems that delivers up to 1 year's operation without a filter change. The X-Torque engine produces 75% less emissions, 20% lower fuel consumption, and more power compared to a conventional two-stroke power cutter. Also note that you can use OilGuard oil in other two-stroke power cutters. For more detailed information on your Husqvarna K760 OilGuard, refer to your operator's manual.